In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the opacity of a clip in CapCut Desktop. If you want to make a video clip look more transparent or bring it back to full visibility, CapCut Desktop makes that process very simple. Adjusting opacity is useful for creating overlay effects, softening a shot, or blending one clip with another in a clean and professional way. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting and how to fine-tune it so you get the look you want. First, open the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once it launches, either create a new project if you're starting from scratch, or open an existing project if you already have one in progress. After that, add a video to the timeline so you have a clip ready to edit. If your clip is already there, you can move straight to the next step. Now click the video clip on the timeline to make sure it's selected. This is important because CapCut only shows the editing controls for the clip you currently have highlighted. Once the clip is selected, go over to the right side panel and open the Video tab. In that section, make sure the Basic tab is selected, since that's where the main visual controls for the clip are located. Next, look for the Blend section. Inside that area, you'll find the Opacity slider. This is the control you'll use to adjust how transparent or solid your clip appears. If you drag the opacity slider to the left, the clip becomes more transparent. This can be helpful if you want the clip to fade visually or allow another layer underneath to show through more clearly. If you drag the slider to the right, the opacity increases, making the clip appear more solid and less see-through. A higher opacity setting brings the image closer to its original full visibility. Small changes can make a big difference, so it's a good idea to move the slider gradually rather than making a huge adjustment all at once. As you make changes, keep an eye on the preview window so you can see the effect in real time. This gives you a clear idea of how the transparency is affecting your video. Then click the play button to preview the result in motion, since opacity can sometimes look different when the clip is actually playing. From there, fine-tune the opacity until you're satisfied with the final look. Once it appears the way you want in the preview, you can confirm that the clip opacity has been successfully adjusted. And that's how to change the opacity of a clip in CapCut Desktop.